Welcome back. Now let us discuss this problem where we need to find out the largest of three given numbers. First of all, assume that the three numbers are this num1, num2 and num3 having some values. Now let us come to the logic of this program. And the logic of this program is something like this, that we assume that the largest number is the first number. We start with this assumption that the first number is the largest number. So we take a variable largest and assign the value of num1 to it. So in this case, largest will get the value 5, right? And after that, if this particular variable largest, if it has to be the largest number out of these three, in that case, it has to be greater than num2 as well as it has to be greater than num3. So in the next step, in the next statement, we check whether if this largest is greater than num2 or not, or we can check whether this largest is less than num2 or not. If the largest variable is less than the num2, that means num2 is greater than largest, right? If largest is less than num2, num2 will be larger than this particular variable largest. If it is the case, then we simply replace our largest variable with the new number, right? So that is why we say that largest is equal to num2. And similarly, we check whether this particular largest variable is, if it is smaller than num3, that means num3 is larger than the current value of largest. So what we do is we assign the value of num3 to largest in that case. So let us traverse this particular program with these values 5, 7 and 6. So here what we are doing is we are assigning the value of num1 to largest. So largest will become 5, right? And then we check if largest is less than num2. Num2 is 7, largest is 5. We are checking whether 5 is less than 7. Yes, it is the case. This condition is true. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed where we assign the value of num2 to largest. So the new value of largest will be 7. So largest will become 7, right? And after that, we are executing this statement where we are checking whether largest is less than num3. That is, 7 is less than 6. Now 7 is less than 6 is not true. This condition is false. Because this condition is false, so this particular statement will not be executed. This will be skipped. So the final value of largest will be 7. And after that we are printing where the largest number is the value of this variable largest. Let's try to run this program. And here we see that the output is saying largest number is 7. So indeed we are having largest number 7 here. Now let's try to modify this program by changing the value of some of the variable. Let us say that now num3 is 16. Now in case num3 is 16, now let's try to run this program again. Num1 is 5, so largest will get the value 5, fine here. Then we check if largest is less than num2, 5 is less than 7, yes it is the case. So largest will get the value of num2, largest will get the value 7. And after that we are checking whether 7 is less than 16. Now in this case the condition is true. Now because this condition is true, so largest will get the value of num3 which is 16. So largest variable will become 16, right? And after that when we print largest, we will get the output 16. Let's try to verify this. And we can see here the output is saying largest number is 16. So that is how this particular program works. With this, thank you for your time in this chapter. Thank you.